Hey there, small channels, welcome back to another YouTube education video on how to grow your YouTube channel for free. Today's video is specially designed to teach you how to add this special feature YouTube offers for free, which is very helpful, especially if you have other social media platforms you post contents there. This feature, which you probably have seen on other channels, especially big channels like what you are currently seeing on your screen, is the links feature. I'm going to show you how to add links to your YouTube channel, which shows up on your channel's profile when someone visits it, and also in the about section of your channel. Subscribe to this channel and like this video, and let's get innovative. Before we begin, you can see that on this page of my YouTube channel, there's no links added. So to add links, just click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the YouTube page. In the open drop down menu, right click on YouTube Studio and open it in a different tab. Next, we will move to the new tab. We open YouTube Studio and wait for it to load completely. After it has loaded completely, just scroll down across the options at the left side of the YouTube Studio page and select Customization. In the Customization tab, click on Branding to open that tab. Under Branding, scroll down to where you can see links. YouTube says you can share external links with your viewers, which would be visible on your channel profile and about page. That should tell you how important they are. To add a link to your YouTube channel, just click the Add Link hyperlink to open the first link prompt. You can see we are given two input fields, one to hold the title of the link and the second one to hold the link itself. Before that, you should make sure you have all the links you want to add to your YouTube channel typed and saved in any Word application so that you do not mix up any links or get confused. I will add the first link so you see how it's done, so you just follow along. The first link I would add is my YouTube address, so I would move back to the web browser and enter email address in the link title field and copy the link from my Word application and go and paste it in the input field in YouTube Studio. To add another link, just click on the Add Link hyperlink again and follow the same procedure I used for the first one, but I will speed it up because of time and I don't want you guys to get bored. So let me add a draft link to show you how you can delete a link from your YouTube channel. So maybe after you have added a link to your YouTube channel, you have later on decided to remove it. All you have to do is hover around the right side of the input field where you add the link. A trash can would appear and all you have to do is select it to delete the unwanted link from your YouTube channel. Now go through all the links you have added one more time, and when you are okay, just hit the blue publish button to implement your changes and add the links to your YouTube channel. After the changes have been published, move to the YouTube page and refresh to see if the links have been added successfully. And there we have it. You can see our links have been added to our YouTube channel. Come to the end of this video, but I will not leave you empty-handed. I have a video which will show you how to add tags to your YouTube video to get more views on YouTube. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Check out the video on the end screen that follows up next. See you next time. Peace out.